the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Oldham County in central Kentucky, southern Trimble County in central Kentucky, Henry County in central Kentucky, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Log Range, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Log Range, New Castle, Bedford, Pendleton, Eminence, Campbellsburg, Bethlehem, Smithfield, Westport, and Oldham. Now here is the official national